first take some water. And put some salt.
Some more.
And then take turmeric. And put turmeric. And then mix it. Nicely mix it. And take any vegetables you want. So normally I am taking grapes. Grapes out. Then I am putting it inside this water. Nicely wash it. And then you can have it.
Clean.
Clean it nicely.
Keep it outside.
And
Keep it outside.
outside.
Before you want to eat, again wash it.
Before you want to eat again, wash it and eat.
Hmm.
Thank you. Bye.